Hi, everybody. Welcome to Chattanooga Weather Desk. I'm Steve Cooper from the Tennessee Storm Watch Center. It's good to have each and every one of you along here. Of course, you can always stay with the latest updates concerning severe and winter weather from the Chattanooga Weather Desk. Currently here at Chattanooga Weather Desk, some of you all have approached on Valentine's Day. It was a lovely Valentine's Day today here in Chattanooga. We had a high of about 41 degrees, which wasn't bad at all. We did see some sunshine out there, as well as some really nice temperatures. Now we are watching a low pressure system. This includes the Tennessee Storm Watch, some of my guys at Tennessee Storm Watch, as well as here at Chattanooga Weather Desk. We're watching a low pressure system extremely close right now with what appears to be a possible winter storm moving in through the Tennessee Valley and the southeast parts of the Tennessee Valley. Looks like there could be some pretty good accumulation amounts up to near 10 inches along the Smoky Mountains northward, while portions of the valley south could see up to about 3 to 5 inches. So we're going to keep an eye on that real close. There is a winter storm watch in effect. This goes all for a portion of the southeastern Tennessee Valley. Again, that is a winter storm watch. And let me go ahead and back this around a little bit here, as there is a watch right now in effect for the portions of Anderson County, Union County, Granger County, Hamlin County, northwestern Cobb County, Rome County, Loudoun County, and it looks like Monroe County, Bradley County, Polk County under this winter storm watch. And this goes in effect through Sunday into Monday time frame, and actually into early Tuesday. So I want to keep on that real close. A winter storm watch does mean the following. It means that severe winter weather can be expected within 24 to 48 hour time frame, and depending on what location you're at, depending on where you are located, and depending on how much back roads you may have, where we could be looking at some slick road potentials and back roads, as well as bridges, overpasses could become slick, and therefore what you want to do is just you want to try to keep away from that, try to keep away from the accidents as much as possible. Snowfall accumulations between 3 to 6 inches is possible, and not just only for the snowfall accumulations, but we could also see some freezing rain, sleet, as well as the all types of winter precipitation. Again, snowfall accumulation between 3 to 6 inches is possible along the Tennessee Valley, the Cumberland Plateau, and the mountains, with locally higher amounts seeing about 10 inches for the Smoky Mountains and the higher peaks. This includes Highway 441, and this conditions could impact travel. So if you plan on traveling, please be aware and be careful and watch for latest updates concerning this developing winter storm. Now, right now, I want to switch modes here and go into the latest amounts. This is the latest amounts that is coming from the National Weather Service office. As you can see here, the amounts that are listed at this time in the valley, looks like we could see in between 4 to 8 inches of snow. This also includes portions of the southern Tennessee Valley, 4 to 6 inches of snow, but up to locally 8 inches possible, while areas of the Smoky Mountains you could see anywhere between 6 to 10 inches of snow, with possibly some locally higher amounts becoming likely. Now, here's another concern I want to look out. I mentioned to Jason and several other of my guys about a warm nose that could affect the Tennessee Valley and portions of the south, and lo and behold, there you have it. Possible snow accumulations, freezing rain, sleet could mess up your travel plans, and not just the freezing rain and sleet, but also we could be talking about the snow potential. But look at these amounts of freezing rain over parts of northwest Georgia and southeast Tennessee. We are looking at between 3/4 inch of freezing rain and sleet possibility, while it appears that parts of the Central Valley locations could see some light freezing rain amounts as well. So we're going to keep an eye on that real close, as on top of that we could be dealing with some treacherous travel problems. So what you want to do is monitor your local weather radio and listen for later statements and possible warnings that the National Weather Service may very well come out with. Here's a look at the latest weather radar. There are some scattered snow showers remaining about throughout much of northeast Tennessee, right around the West Virginia area. Looks like there's a weak area of low that's actually causing that to brigade to the southeast. I do think much of the middle Tennessee Valley, including the Cumberland Plateau, will remain dry because we are starved of moisture right now. We have that high pressure in control, but as soon as that high pressure weakens, it does look like we are going to get to see at least some snow moving here by sometime later tonight and into Monday. So here's how the forecast unfolds once again. Expect some heavy snowfall amounts, including some possible some icing. Therefore, what you need to do is prepare for this, especially for the much freeze. Make sure to keep you and your kids dressed at all times. Cover all important parts of the body. Remember that the cold and wind chills can be in effect to the pets and livestock. Please dress appropriately. Children that are going to school and coming out of school, cover, like I said, cover the insulated pipes, and of course bring in or provide shelter for those small pets, as well as pets can feel the cold as much as any human can. That's all the latest I have for you right now from the Tennessee Storm Watch and Chattanooga Weather Desk. Again, please watch out for the possibility of winter weather. And for now, have a great night. We'll keep you updated. I'm Steve at 12:56 a.m. Please be careful out there and stay tuned.